Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys have been loving all my room tours, so I thought I would take you into my master bedroom and show you what's inside those drawers. So if that's something you want to see, then just stay tuned. Okay, let's head inside. We'll start off talking about my nightstands, and I have matching ones on both sides. And I found these off a Facebook like marketplace for gosh, I want to say it was like 20 or 25 bucks for the pair. And then I did paint them, and I'll show you what they looked like originally. They were this type of wood. I didn't paint the inside because I'm that lazy, but at least when you walk in, they're pretty. And I added new hardware. Now inside of here, I keep my Bible, and then I have two books. I don't read often, and if I do, it's normally on my Bible app on my phone. And then this I keep. This is actually, my brother-in-law got it for me and my family members when my grandpa died, and he was outside chopping wood and had a heart attack, but that's just what my grandpa loved to do. And so this is a part of the tree that he was chopping down, so it's just a neat memory. And then down here, I keep a lot of my old planners. I love writing in my planners, but I love going back even more and seeing what I did like last year or 2 years or 3 years ago. So I try to keep some of my most recent out. And then in this bin, I just keep notepads, a flashlight, and then some of my like keepsakes, and even like cute little letters from Savannah. I just keep down here. My lamp is from Ross, and then I have two of these. You'll see them spaced out throughout my house, but they're from a flea market. And then all my coasters are these mirrors, and I just get them from the Dollar Tree, and they have them in different shapes. Now, as far as my bed goes, we got that off Amazon, and I'll link it for you, and it was affordable, and ours is a king size. And then my windmill, I get a lot of questions about, and this half's in here, and the other half is in my living room. And it was a full windmill, and it's straight from a farm here in Oklahoma. And then my bedding is pretty much all Ross. This is Ross. These pillows came as a set from Ross. This pillow's Ross, and my sheets are Ross. So the entire bedding collection is from Ross. I'm gonna show you inside my husband's side. And once again, this is the matching set from over there. And we painted it. I didn't paint the inside. He keeps our remotes on his side, and then he has a big light. And then in his little bin, he's got his Bible. He used to collect these little pins. And then he got his Dave Ramsey, and we'll get into that in another video. We'll be talking about our finances. So if you have any questions about that, follow me on Instagram, because I'll put a post to ask you guys questions to ask me for the video. And then he's got the coaster, and here's another. He's got another one. So when I was saying there were just different shapes, you can buy all different ones. And then that'll drive me crazy if I don't fix that. Okay, this is how we keep our DVDs. I got sick of storing all those boxes, so I went and bought this from Walmart, and it's to hold CDs. But this is how we store all of them. And so Savannah's are in here, ours are in here. We keep a few just in case we're traveling or somebody wants to borrow one. They won't get scratched. But that's how we store our DVDs. Okay. The curtains are from Target, and I got the extra long ones. And then the blinds we actually got from Lowe's, and they were like 20 bucks or 15 a set. So we got a really good deal on those. And then my green wreath up here is from a garage sale for $5. My candlesticks are from a garage sale, and they were a set for $5, and they were like brown and turquoise, and I just spray painted them with a coat of silver spray paint. My sign is from Hobby Lobby. And then this dresser was from a garage sale, and it was actually already painted white. I did change out the hardware, but it was like 25 bucks for this. Okay, now we'll go into my top drawer, and I want to thank iSpeckle for sponsoring this part of the video. They reached out to me and wanted to send me these organizers, and I said absolutely yes, because I already use a lot of different storage units like this in my drawers, And so you'll get 6 different sizes for like $15.99. And if you guys go down in my description box, I'll put a 15% off link. But you can do this. It's like a gray chevron, or I think they have more of like a yellow tan color. But they'll send you different sizes, and I'll attach a picture for you guys so you can see. But then you can like divide up your clothes, and nothing gets moved around, nothing shifts. Like when you open and close, your stuff moves. But if you have it in these nice dividers, it stays just like that. So you'll see this throughout my drawers. So these are all my socks. And so if you get a lot of the little ones, you can keep your socks divided. This is all my workout clothes. This is all my swimsuits, and these are like my company clothes during the summer. It's more like shirts and shorts. And then down here are my pajamas, and like even my shirts folded up in one of these. It's just so clean and organized. And then I do it with my yoga pants that I sleep in, and these are my warm pants. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You guys keep asking me how I fold my clothes, so why I've got it open. I literally take the shirt and fold the arms in, and then I fold it in half, and then I just roll it like that, and it fits perfectly into these storage bins. And there's also this size, which is good for socks. Like I said, I do my leggings. Anything will fit into these. It's just the way you fold, and it's so much prettier. So thank you, iSpeckle, for sponsoring this part of the video. I love them. I use them all the time, and I'll probably order tons more for all of our other drawers. Now we're gonna head on to my husband's side, and I have no control over there. It does not look like these. I've tried to organize, and then I just gave up. So I don't even know what it looks like. So we're gonna find out together. Okay guys, like I just mentioned, I have not touched these drawers, and I don't even know what's in each of them, and I don't even know if he has a system, so we're gonna go through them together. Okay, like look, this one's not starting off bad. I think he may have worked on it for you guys. He's got his blacks, he's got his whites and his grays, but I doubt they all look like this. Okay, so like this one, I guess this is like pajama pants and a swimsuit and t-shirt. See, he does not fold like me. And then he's got some type of plastic tub in here he's working with. And this one's obviously a softball drawer, I can tell by all his softball shirts. And there's his underwear. We'll keep that private. Now, my husband has a thing for socks, and it drives me crazy. I do laundry every day, so I don't understand why you need this many white socks, because watch this. It's another drawer full of socks. So how many socks can one man need? I do not know. But I've learned just to like let it go. This is his space, not mine. T-shirt, see this folding? See what I have to, I don't even put his laundry away anymore. I fold it and I leave it on the bed, and he gets to choose how it goes, because if I put it away, I would have to rearrange all this. I mean, you can tell he has systems. Like this is t-shirts, this is shorts, but it's definitely not organized. Sweatpants. So that's what's inside my husband's. And now we're gonna go inside his closet and see what's in there. And it's gonna be a little dark in here, guys, sorry. So this was my doing, obviously, because it's organized. I used to have my rustic cuffs, all my bracelets hanging on this, and I will actually link a picture so you guys can see. You can use these in multiple ways. And this is just a palette. It's probably behind your Walmart, behind your Hobby Lobby. You can find them free anywhere. If your neighbors are having their roof done, they'll have these. And we just put nails in them. I went and just bought all matching nails. So you do have to be careful with kids. And like I said, I had jewelry, but we put his hats up here so that he could see what he needed. We used to share this closet until I gave myself the beauty room. So now this is all his. Once again, this used to be all my shoes, but now since he's taken over, it's all his boots and work shoes and tennis shoes. And then right here at the front is where he keeps all his pants. And I try to keep him matching hangers, but he doesn't do the one in, one out rule like me. And so I don't always want to buy some, but I try to keep his nice pants on the wood hangers. And then you guys have seen my laundry basket stays right here for the both of us. And then if you'll come in and peek around the corner, I had made this just quick one day out of a piece of wood and then hot glued hooks on there. And that's where he keeps all his ties, just so they're nice and tucked away. And then as far as his clothes goes, he's got like his suits back here, his short sleeve, like a little bit nicer style. And then all these are his work shirts. And then down here you hit t-shirts and then all his jackets and hoodies. So it's somewhat organized. It's not as organized as it would be with me, but boundaries, we grow together, and this is where I give this and the dresser, and it makes him happy and it keeps me happy, so I just try to stay out of here. If you guys look up top, there's not much. We've got like a safe. He loved the Boston Red Sox, so one day when he has his own man room, he can put that out somewhere. And then these are just like extra winter and sheets, winter sheets and winter items, guns, and then I don't even know what's in that one. That's his PlayStation box. And then right here he collects coins, or used to, and money, and then our old yearbooks from our high school. Okay guys, and I forgot to mention this. I bought this off Craigslist for $35 and it was painted this way. The hardware was that way. I think it was a steal. So always check Craigslist and give it time. It's not like you're going to immediately go on and find something, but if you give it a couple weeks, you'll eventually find what you're needing for so much cheaper. This is the last part of the room we haven't talked about. This is from Hobby Lobby. These frames are from Hobby Lobby. And then Ross, Walmart. And then this is actually just something my great uncle gave me, and you'll see it in lots of parts of my house, and it's empty. When Savannah had more toys, I always had it full, and trying to think, sometimes I have blankets in it, sometimes I put stuff in it, but it gets moved around so much I try to keep it empty. I think for the while I had it in my kitchen with homeschool supplies, but it's just a good multi-purpose. You can sit on it, you can decorate with it, you can cram stuff in it. It doesn't have to look pretty. So if you're looking for storage ideas, I think an ottoman is a great idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this master bedroom room tour. If you guys have any questions about anything, leave it down below in my comment section. I'll link the storage drawers because those are awesome and will help get you organized. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.